Warrant investors who bought into Hang Seng Core Warrants when the index sunk almost 2,000 points in a week stood to profit as much as 167% on the trending Hang Seng Core Warrant when the market rebounded off its lows in the last 2 weeks of the month. Find out how warrants tracking the Hang Seng Index performed in the month of May and how you could use them to trade short-term swings of either direction. Hi, I'm Jamie from Macquarie Warrants, and I'm here to share with you some highlights of the market action last month and how you could have used warrants to capture some of these moves. While the Hang Seng Index may appear little change for the month of May, the Hang Seng Index Futures Index in fact saw a rebound of more than 12% off its lows after it had fallen more than 8% in the first 2 weeks of May. The 8.4% fall of the Hang Seng Index Futures at the start of the month from its 21,000 level to trade above the 19,000 level led to strong demand for Macquarie's Hang Seng Core Warrants. The market had been reeling from inflationary and recessionary fears, exacerbated by China's lockdown measures. However, it saw a turnaround after Chinese tech giants such as Alibaba reported better than expected earnings, and the Chinese government moved to announce new economic stimulating measures. Macquarie's trending Hang Seng Core Warrant generated returns as much as 167% over the next 2 weeks on the Hang Seng's 12.6% rebound, while the Hang Seng Put Warrants fell 84%. You'll notice that both the call and put warrants moved in greater percentages compared to the Hang Seng's move during both observation periods. This is due to the gearing effect embedded in all warrants, which allow them to move more than the underlying. The effective gearing level of each warrant provides an estimate of how much more the warrant will move given a move in the underlying price in the short term. The higher the effective gearing, the riskier the warrant. To estimate how much you should be investing into warrants, you can use effective gearing as a guide. As an example, for a shareholder with $100,000 worth of XYZ shares in the portfolio and wishes to hedge against a short-term downside move in the shares, can consider a put warrant. If this put warrant has a 10 times gearing, the gearing levels can be seen on our website. The shareholder needs only to invest into the put warrant an amount that is 10 times less than his share exposure of $100,000. That is, the XYZ shareholder can buy $10,000 worth of this put warrant. Looking ahead of potential volatility in June, investors may wish to look out for any further stimulus measures that may be announced by China following the release of Chinese economic stats for May during the month. Also, further rate decisions from the US Fed in mid-June could potentially move markets. For further details on trading warrants, and to find out if you're qualified to trade warrants, click on the link in the description or feel free to contact us at our warrant hotline. Lastly, don't miss out on the next video and exciting warrant news by scanning the QR codes and subscribing to our channels on YouTube, Telegram, and Facebook.